friends, कैसे हो आप? मेरा नाम है अनिल। Welcome back to my Geek Everyone channel, and today I'm going to unboxing the new phone, that's a Honor 9N. So this is the Honor 9N over here. Please watch this video till end. एक like तो बनता है my friend. So let's see. So this is the Honor 9N box over here. Quick start guide and the Huawei warranty card. The USB cable over here and the Huawei charger, that's a 5 volt at 2 amps. SIM ejector tool and the plastic case of the Honor 9N. Last but not the least is the Honor 9N smartphone. At the back of the Honor 9N there is a fingerprint scanner. At the top there is a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera with dual-tone LED flash and now Honor branding. At the right side there is a power on button and the volume up button over here, and at the top there is a noise cancellation microphone. At the front there is a 13 megapixel camera with a earpiece, and at the left side there is a SIM tray, there's a hybrid SIM slot. At the bottom of the phone there is a speaker grill, the USB port for charging and 3.5mm headphone jack. First of all, this is the Honor 9N smartphone with the Honor 9N box, and I have to say the quality of the smartphone is ridiculously very nice. The glass body with the metal rim looks very much premium and it's very much eye-catching also. Though it has a glass body, but still there is a huge fingerprint magnet over here, so that's quite annoying thing. It's better to put your case or cover anything like that. Honor 9N sports the 5.84-inch full HD IPS display, and the quality of the display is very much crispy, very much vivid. The color tints is very much sharp, and I have to say there is no sorts of yellowish tint over here, so the color looks very much natural. Let's go inside the settings. See the white circle of a white, no sorts of yellowish tint over here. Let's go inside the Android settings. What Android version is giving about phone? The Android version is 8.0.0. So that's audio out of the box you are getting, and the emotion UI version, that's a 8.0.0 you are getting. So that's quite a nice thing. If you talk about the storage, it has a 4GB RAM version and 64GB internal. Out of the 64GB you will get 53.56 gigabytes almost. And I have installed many of the apps till now, so they are just showing that 51.75 GB. So that's quite nice thing. And the Android security patch level is 1st June 2018. Honor 9N sports the Kirin 659 octa-core processor, and it has a battery of about 3750 mAh battery, and it has a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera and the 16 megapixel front facing camera. Though the Honor 9N sports the 5.84 inch, that's a 19:9 aspect ratio, but still the build quality is very much compact. See, it's very much compact in hand. It's like this small size, it's not as heavy as the Honor Play, that's a 6.3 inch. Let's talk about the fingerprint sensor, how it works. So 1, 2, 3, it unlocks. So let's see once again. 1, 2, 3, it unlocks. Again 1, 2, 3, it unlocks. So the fingerprint sensor is very much responsive too. It takes almost 1.5 seconds, not 0.7 seconds like that, but it's very much fast and responsive too. So let's see about the face unlock, how it works. So that's a very much vital point. So 1, 2, just press the power on a button, press it and just open. Again just press it and it will open. So that's very nice. Again once more, just press it, power on a button, and it's open. So it's very much fast and accurate also. First of all, this is the Honor phone, so there must be bloatware apps. Bloatware apps matlab you are getting the Truecaller, the Netflix, few games you are getting, that's as for Nitro, Dragon Mania, Kingdoms, Puzzle Page, etc. Your games are getting, and with that the health apps you are getting, that's quite a nice thing. The tips, the Honor Club, these are all apps you are getting. So let's see if it could be remove it or not, uninstall. Yes, you can uninstall the app, so that's quite a very good point. At the top side of the phone there is a toggles over here, so there are every toggles you are getting. See, huge toggles you are getting, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, the bike ride mode you are getting, that's quite a nice thing. The hotspot, the screen recording, the eye comfort, the ultra battery saving mode, the navigation dock, the mirror share, do not disturb modes you are having. So that's quite a nice thing in this Honor 9N smartphone. I must say, though it has a Kirin 659 octa-core processor, but the fluidity is very much nice and accurate too. There is no source of lagginess over here. It is very much fast and responsive. Actually I'm using this phone quite 2 to 3 days like that. Trust me, there is no source of lagginess or stutteriness till now. And if you talk about the battery, though it has a 3000 mAh battery, but Still the battery life is very much good. If you are very much heavy usage, it will take full working day, no sorts of problem regarding the battery life. Yes, it can gives like 3400 or 3500 milliampere battery, but still comparing to the 3000 milliampere battery, it works perfectly fine. One interesting thing is that the Honor 9N supports the theme. See, there are many sorts of themes over here. You can customize that also. So there are pretty interesting thing this is having. And the category, you can select many of the themes, cool, lovely, many of the themes you are getting. So that's interesting thing in this Honor 9N. Let's talk about the camera, which is the main essential point of this Honor 9N. The rear camera sports the 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera. So let's click one photo over here. The shutter speed is fast, yes, and it's very much responsive to see this particular object. This is a very nice, and the color accuracy is very much great. And I have to say, there is a very much vivid color, means the every photos you will get very much vibrant. So that's quite a nice thing, very much punchy color it is having. So let's click on another photo. Again the shutter speed is very much fast. That's on a 9N. See, it looks very much natural. So that's quite nice. And with that you are also getting the, and yes, you can't shoot the 4K resolution, up to 1080p you can shoot. There is a resolution CMC 13 megapixel, 10 megapixel, 9 megapixel, whatever it is having. And there is a GPS tag, the watermarks, the mute, timer, audio control, touch to capture you are getting, the capture smiles. So that's quite a nice thing. That touch and hold shutter button, volume button function, ultra snapshot you are getting. With that the wide aperture enabled you are getting. That's quite a nice thing. And in this particular phone, but in this rear facing camera, you will also get the portrait mode effect. Just place it over here. See the portrait mode effect. It is very much looking nice. See the happy friendship day, and see the color. The color is punchier too, and the color is vibrant also. Let's talk about the front facing camera of the Honor 9N. It has a 16 megapixel front facing camera. Let's click one photo over here. Yes, the photo looks very much nice. Very much nice. The Canon branding, the US 750D. It looks very much nice. And I have to say, more than a rear facing camera, the color accuracy of the front facing camera is very much vivid and accurate too. There is no sorts of color tints over here, and you can also shoot in a portrait mode. So that's quite a nice thing. Hello. Again, see the picture. It's loading now. The color accuracy is very much nice. See the detailing. It looks very much nice. And yes, you are also, and at the front facing camera also you can shoot the 1080p resolution. That's a video, and with that you are getting the photo, the panorama mode, you are getting the video mode, the AR lens, the time lapse, the filter, the watermark, more you can get. Let's come about the verdict of the Honor 9N. It cost almost 11,999 for 3GB RAM version, 32GB internal, and it has also another version that's 4GB RAM version, 64GB internal, which I am having now. And this is also another version that's 4GB RAM version, 128GB internal, that costs 17,999. So my friends, don't go for the 4GB RAM version and 128GB internal, and please don't go for 3GB RAM version, 32GB internal. The 4GB RAM version and 64GB internal, that's a very good choice for you to purchase this phone. So still now I am using this phone. There is no source of lagginess, stutteringness are there. The camera is excellent, no source of yellowish tint or bluish tint in the picture. Is perfectly fine whether it's in the rear facing camera, whether it's in the front facing camera. So I will test the phone definitely a lot so that I can give you the best honest review from my side. So definitely I will test everything with this phone. So wait for that video. Till now, bye bye, Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.